Welcome and thank you for joining us. When dealing with weight loss, the term holistic is an all-encompassing approach to considers not only shedding pounds but also nurturing overall well-being. Understanding the impact of nutrition on both body and mind enables you to embrace the transformative path towards fast, holistic weight loss. Holistic weight loss transcends mere calorie counting and restrictive diets. It recognizes the intricate balance between nutrition, physical activity, mental health, and lifestyle factors. Nutrition serves as the fuel that powers the body's functions, influences metabolic processes, and regulates hormonal balance. Adopting a balanced and nourishing diet not only helps to shed excess weight but also improves vitality, resilience, and long-term health. A fundamental principle of holistic nutrition for weight loss focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provide a spectrum of essential nutrients that support optimal bodily functions. One key aspect of holistic nutrition is understanding the significance of macronutrient balance. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats each play distinct roles in the body, and achieving a harmonious balance among them is crucial for sustainable weight loss. Proteins, for instance, not only contribute to muscle repair and growth, but also promote feelings of fullness, thus curbing overeating. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, serve as the body's primary energy source, but opting for complex carbohydrates over simple sugars ensures sustained energy levels and stable blood sugar control. While there are general principles of healthy eating, such as prioritizing whole foods and balancing macronutrients, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. In addition to nourishing the body, holistic nutrition also nurtures the mind and spirit, addressing the psychological and emotional aspects of weight loss. Holistic nutrition extends beyond the plate to encompass lifestyle factors that impact weight and overall well-being. Isn't it time to embrace a balanced, whole foods-based lifestyle? Take charge of your weight loss today with the power of nutrition. Say goodbye to fad diets and restrictive eating and join us on the path to a healthier, happier you. To achieve fast, natural weight loss today, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything.